Okay, today I will show you my homework 4.2 for you. It's about PLC. So the title of this research is PLC Advanced Control Experiment, Timer and Counter Integration with Pneumatic System. Okay, so firstly we see the experimental objectives. The section 1 is master advanced control logic. The section 2 is multi-language programming practice improvement idiotic control logic using 3 IEC language. Later diagram, function block diagram, and structure text to understand their respective experience and characteristic. The section 3 is PLC and the pneumatic system integration. Verify PLC programs delayed control and sealing counting function for the pneumatic cylinders through folded same simulation, understanding the complete electronical control to the pneumatic exclusion link. And section 4 is Bank of Development Environmental Professor. Master Twin Cat 3 timer and counter usage, variable address blinding, programming, debugging, and simulation operation workflow. The second part, you can see the experimental significance, engineering application value, delayed control, and link counting are core requirements in automatic production lines, uh, such as material transport delays, workpiece link precision, and so on. This experiment typical industrial field application. Then the technologic capability enhancement, multi-language programming adapts to different engineering coding habits. Fully the same simulation validates logic without physical hardware, reducing debugging cost and risks. Then is a theoretical implementation. Uh, Combine PLC's soft logic timer counter with pneumatic systems hardware exclusion to understand the closed loop control principle of control layer to the exclusion layer in automation system. Then you can see the hardware connection of this bank of PLC. You can see the start button, stop button connect to the S0, S1. The function is trigger cylinder extension and the trigger cylinder retraction, set and reset. Then the emergency stop to the resist, emerging system resist. Input side button connect to the 24 volts and the PLC DI channels. DI common terminal connect to the 24 volt, and the output side PLC DO channels connected to the solenoid value coils, and the coils connect to the 24 volt, and the pneumatic circuit air compressor to the filter to the pressure regulator and to the uh, 2.5 way solenoid value. Then the last one is double acting cylinder. And step 4 is control logic definition. We start when start the bottle button S0 is 1 is pressed. Set M0 to the 1 and solenoid value YV1 cylinder extends and delay extension. After cylinder extend, trigger timer 1 5 seconds. When times out, set the M1 to the 1. The solenoid value is YV2 and the cylinder retracts. Then the is a delay retraction. After cylinder extracts, trigger timer T2 5 seconds. When timer set M1 is when timer out set 1 is 1 and solenoid value YV2 cylinder retracts and so on. The cylinder control and the emergency stop resist. Okay, let's see the detailed code explanation. You can see the section 1 is start, set, logic, and the delayed retraction. Then the delay counting. The last one is link counting. So the multi-language implementation comprehension. So firstly we see the LD geography representation using relay logic symbols and intuitive for the electronic engineers. Easy to troubleshoot with usual follow interpretation and function block diagram FBD. Modular programming using interconnected function block and ideal for the complete control system. And the ST structure text-based programming similar to the high-level language, suitable for the complex algorithm and the data processing. So then you can see the fully the same integration process. The build phonemic circuit and the signal mapping and the simulation testing. Okay, the last part is overall workflow from requirement analysis to the final verification and some common tips. Okay, let's see the examination.
这是它的两个定义，然后这是我们三个定义，第一个，这是第二个，然后我们这里点完之后，我再点这个灯亮，OK， 我现在关闭，5秒后那个灯会变成绿的。OK， 再5秒后那个灯会灭。
那个网页
它完成了一个计数，完成了
开关的网页，
然后
866开关的网页，866，
就是
好像我发一点什么啊，
重复的操作，
你看是哪个是？
关闭。2秒后，5秒后它会跳，再5秒后它会灭，大概就是这个。
Okay, that's all. Thank you.